In this video, Kiki Review will review a smartphone from the Asus brand which includes Asus ROG, called Asus ROG Phone 6. With display 6.78 inches Full HD plus 2448 by 1080 and 165 Hz frequency. Also using 6000 mAh battery, rear camera 50 megapixels, also 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels triple camera. Front camera 12 megapixels front, with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage. Operating system using Android 12.0, also 5G LTE network unlocked and dual SIM. Overpower the competition with the powerful yet efficient Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 at 3.2 GHz. With a whopping 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage. Game Cool 6 Tech features a 30% larger vapor chamber among other features for more stable gaming frame rates. This gaming phone features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display at 165 Hz with HDR Plus and iCare technology. 6000 mAh dual-cell battery with 65-watt quick charge capabilities that allows you to go from 0 to 100 in just 42 minutes. The rear triple camera system featuring Sony's IMX766 sensor with 50 megapixels adds pro-grade quality for the price of this Asus ROG Phone 6. Kiki Review has provided a link in the description and you can choose the variant you like from this Asus ROG Phone 6 smartphone. Kiki Review thank you for watching this Asus ROG Phone 6 video and see you in other videos from Kiki Review.